All right, so here's Bugs Bunny and Elmer Fudd. This is the breakdown of all the individual pieces that you'd have to print and combine to make a full Bugs Bunny or a full Elmer Fudd. You can do these individually in all the different colors. In filament, you don't have to paint these. You can just print them out and glue them together. And that's it, and they still will come out looking awesome. I chose to paint mine and sand mine like I do with all my models, but either way, you could do it. There's a lot to this. You can see all these little, individual pieces that you have to print out and do. And you have the choice, or you can print out both. You can get the Sith blade there, or you can use the shotgun. And I chose the shotgun because to me, I always remember Elmer with a shotgun. And this is Thingiverse, so it's Red Dad Steve, all one word. I'll mention it in the video that you see next too, so you don't forget. But yeah, check it out. He's got a lot of these videos. Models out there, a lot of them, and there's a lot to do. I'm thinking about a few others that I wouldn't mind doing, but we'll see. Yeah, check it out and download one and make one. Right? What do you got to lose? So just stay tuned, and I'll show you what I came up with. Okay, so the famous Bugs Bunny and Elmer Fudd is complete. I think it came out pretty cool. So this is actually a Thingiverse file. It's free on Thingiverse. It's from Red Dad Steve, all one word. Under a search on Thingiverse, you can find all kinds of models like this. There's actually quite a few real nice ones that I'd love to do. This ain't my normal helmet or a bust theme that I've done, but I actually really like it. It came out cool. It was fun to do. As you saw from the picture before this, all the pieces can be printed out independently, individually, so that you can actually just 3D print these in all the different colors that you need, and then just glue them together and leave it like that. Or you can do it like I do, is I actually printed out everything and I paint everything. This is completely airbrushed. It was actually really fun to do, but it was still a lot of work because there's a lot of little pieces you got to sand and prime and putty, try to get the print lines out as much as you can. I wasn't too concerned about it, only because it's a cartoon and it's like, I don't know, it's an old cartoon, so it might give it that nostalgia kind of feel and look about it with the, just not being totally smoothed out, have some things in it. And so I wasn't crazy. I didn't go too crazy with it, but it did come out nice. It's really cool. There's Bugs, putting a finger in the barrel of the shotgun. Elmer's, trying to get lunch and dinner, but Bugs ain't gonna have it. So, I grew up watching these cartoons. They're still on the air. You can still find these out there. It's great. They got other models on there. Wile E. Coyote, the Roadrunner, Sylvester the Cat, Marvin the Martian. They got a lot of them. But this came out nice. It was, it was just a lot to it. It took me a little bit of time to get it done. I didn't do any filming on the printing and painting of it. I just showing the end result here, and obviously the files that you can get on Thingiverse that I showed earlier. But yeah, this thing is pretty sweet. This ain't gonna be a long video, but if you like it, please subscribe and hit that like button, and feel free to leave any comments. I'd be glad to answer anything I can. Yeah, and on that note, we'll have to wait till my next build. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do on my next one, but I don't know if I'm gonna do another one of these or I'm gonna do something else. But right now I haven't decided, so I think I'm just gonna wait a little bit and take my time on picking out my next project to do. So I hope you liked it. And like I said, go on Thingiverse and check out all these models. Red Dad Steve, all one word, under the search, and you'll see a bunch of these. Really nice job on all this. And I give that guy a lot of credit for designing all this and putting it, free out there for people to try and make them. So, all right. So my next build, Falcon out.